Hello, it's hubby's birthday and we are making a, what do you call that thing, Omen?
Fire.
Okay, now we know this is a fire, but we use the farm wood. Yes. Kom reg, Hannes. Then we make the fire here and then we take the coals and throw it in that thing. Oven, a real handmade oven from a drum. And then
the pot is on top.
The pot is on top, and what is in the pot?
A lamb shoulder.
A lamb shoulder, a large. Can you open it so that we can see what's in it? Okay. So this has been cooking here for about, whoa, half an hour already, so that will...
2 hours. Maybe an hour and a half.
So that will take about 3-4 hours to be done. But this is the way we do it
in Africa.
In Africa, on a farm. And this is Buckland's guest farm. And that is the man of the farm, Hannes Horen. And they built this beautiful, beautiful little kitchen. What do you call it? Boskombuis, a bush kitchen. So this is where they prepare the food for the people that come to visit. The events, yes.
Yeah. Horse running and horse racing.
Horse, yeah, whatever. Lots of groups coming through here, cycling, 4x4 drives, motorbikes, runners, horses, hikers. What did you say, Herman? Marathon runners, yes.
The adventure racing guys.
Adventure racing, so they come and they stop here, and then Rini caters. Do the catering in this Boskombuis that they really, this is my favorite spot on the whole farm, is this little hook that they built. It's so beautiful. So this is the first time that we are working here. There comes Rini. She's not catering today. Herman, because it's his birthday, he's catering. He's doing the cooking because he's the blessed one. It's his birthday. So I just want to show you the kitchen. So they, as I said, they built it all by themselves. Look at this. The table Hannes created. Look there, the washing, where they wash. This is where we go into the house that we usually stay, the kitchen. But look at this. Old corrugated iron. Oh man, it's just use what you have to create what you love. Look at that old stove. And this is where we go in to our kitchen where we stay. Hannes's parents stayed there. But look at the beautiful light, the corrugated iron. Oh man, so yes, husband's birthday. We've decided to come here for the weekend. And it's just the 4 of us that is going to enjoy this beautiful piece of sheep meat. There you can see. Just look how beautiful. So this is that one that the meat is in is the same as this. An ordinary round thing with a lid in front, and that becomes an oven. So they bake breads and stews and everything in these ovens. As you can see, old bread tins. I don't know if she still uses that. But this is the farm. This is the beautiful. We call it a skeer. In the old days, that was used to shear the sheep and do all the things in. So they changed this into the venue. Isn't it awesome? And there you can braai. We usually braai down there. It's a beautiful day. Wow. Little windy. There's the little pond, swimming pool is now closed up. And there you have the camping sites are there. And so they all use this. Around the corner there you can see toilet. There the toilets are around there. And this is where they do the catering. I'll show you. Look at this massive table. Hannes made everything. This is Rini. Look at her beautiful. Oh, look at this scene. Isn't that just gorgeous? Everything comes from the farm. And here I have my lovely, lovely things that I love. A real linen little vintage tablecloth. Look there. Another one. Oh my gosh, isn't it beautiful? So they are like us. They use what you have to create what you love. Look there in the back. There you can see corrugated iron. Another, the bar, Dank Bar, the name. Means thankful bar, Dank Bar. Isn't that? Look at the light fittings. All made from things that they pick up on the farm. Bicycle things. It's just gorgeous. Look at this beautiful light. Oh, what a lovely day. So we've decided we are just going to spend Herman's birthday here on the farm with our friends. Our kids couldn't come, so we are having a lovely time. Look at this little hook. So they get their food here when Rini caters. Little, there you go through to the kitchen. And you cannot believe it. They cater here. 400 or more people at a time sometimes. Weddings. Oh, their daughter and family members, they got married here. And the one wedding I know was two sisters that got married. And they had the little donkey cart pulling the brides. And they had the wedding here on this piece of grass. Rini made sure it was green, beautiful green. And there was a big tent there at the back. There at the where they now have the tents, and most beautiful weddings here. And then that was the wedding venue. So wow, I think one of the biggest miracles or blessings or gifts, call it a gift, one of the biggest gifts is to be able to use what you have to create what you want and what you need, and to make it like this, absolutely beautiful. I mean, they did not really clean this for us, and this is now not right for the, you know, for a big wedding or thing. We've just decided we want to braai here. But I mean, look at this. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving every moment. Wish you could have been here with me. Love you lots.